space. Been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day.
Hi and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this cute quilted jacket using my new sewing pattern called Audrey.
You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out.
We will start with the lining. Take a sleeve panel and fold it in half, right side to right side, and sew the seam together. Moving on to the bodies, take the front and back panels and sew them together on the shoulders and side seam. While sewing, stop the stitch right before the curved edge. With jacket lining on the wrong side, pin facing to the front panels, right side to right side.
It's not strange to quit another job cause it was draining. To try a different road though it's been fading in your mind cause of time. Now I long for another day where things fall into place. So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags, fill them up. We can go tonight. Take a flight to a higher ground. How does that sound?
Insert sleeves into the armholes and sew them together. Moving on to the main fabric, take a sleeve panel and fold it in half, right side to right side, and sew the seam together. Moving on to the bodies, take the front and back panels and sew them together on the shoulders and side seams. While sewing, stop the stitch right before the curved edge. Insert sleeves into the armholes and sew them together. With the jacket on the right side, pin the lining to the neckline, right side to right side. Make sure that all the seam lines are aligned. Leave a small gap at the bottom, then turn the jacket inside out. Sew the lining and jacket together. You can then make small cuts on the seam allowance around the curved edges to smooth them out and release any pulling or tension from the fabric. Then turn the jacket to the right side. Pull the sleeves out through the gap we left and fold out the sleeves of the jacket. Then place it inside the lining sleeve so the fabric is both right side to right side. Make sure that the seam is aligned and sew the cuffs together.
Mistakes that everyone is making, but I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old Benz. Forgot to tap it up. Now I long for another day where things fall into place. So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags, fill them up. We can go tonight, take a flight to a higher ground. How does that sound? How does that sound? So strange, why it always feel like it's too late. Waiting nothing here and it's too late. But that's not true.
Then pull the sleeve to the right side. Fold it by 1.5 centimeter of the sleeve inside and press it down with an iron. As the last step, sew the gap together using an invisible stitch technique.
Now I long for another day where things fall into place. So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags, fill them up. We can go tonight, take a flight to a higher ground. How does that sound? How does that sound? Let's start over.
And that's it, your perfect Audrey jacket. Thank you for watching.